Substack uses Stripe as its primary payment processor to handle all creator subscriptions and payouts. When you create a Substack account, the platform automatically sets up a connected Stripe account for you. Here's how it works. When you become a creator on Substack, the platform automatically creates a connected Stripe account for you. This seamless integration handles all payment processing without requiring you to set up Stripe separately. This integration offers several key benefits. Substack handles PCI compliance requirements, which can be complex and costly for individual creators. The setup is completely automatic, and payments flow seamlessly from subscribers to creators. However, some creators want to disconnect from Substack's Stripe integration. The main reasons include reducing processing fees, gaining more control over payment flows, and accessing more detailed financial data for their business. As of August 2025, Substack offers three main options for disconnecting or modifying your Stripe integration. You can migrate your entire account to an external platform, set up alternative payment systems, or use a hybrid approach where you keep some content on Substack while moving paid subscriptions elsewhere. Substack has enhanced its platform with better API integrations for financial data portability and more customizable payout options, making these transitions smoother for creators who want more control over their payment processing. The first critical step in disconnecting from Substack's Stripe integration is exporting all your subscriber data and payment history. This ensures you don't lose any important information during the transition. Next, establish your new payment processing system. Popular alternatives include platforms like ConvertKit, Ghost, or setting up a direct Stripe account outside of Substack's ecosystem. Transparent communication with your subscribers is crucial for minimizing churn during the transition. Consider offering incentives and maintaining regular updates about the migration process. Plan for a gradual transition over 60 to 90 days for optimal subscriber retention. This timeline allows you to test systems, address issues, and ensure a smooth migration process. Proper technical setup is essential to prevent payment processing gaps. This includes configuring webhooks correctly and ensuring your new system can handle all payment flows seamlessly. Success in disconnecting from Substack's Stripe integration requires careful planning, starting at least 90 days in advance, and investing in robust technical infrastructure. Following these steps systematically will help ensure a smooth transition with minimal subscriber loss.